Hello everyone, I am Asheron, and yeah, this is not usual videos or sort of stuff I do, but I thought I'd throw this up there because I really haven't seen this much. I mean, tried to look it up, but most people don't try and give you a tutorial on how to changing your voice in Audacity. At least very well, they don't really explain it all that well. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your voice sound like a space marine. But first, we gotta do a few things. For the Emperor. Burn, heretic. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. Those are just some of the phrases. Another one is, what was the other one? Space Marines. You gotta pronounce it properly in order to be able to do it. So I'll go with one. I'll go with Burn, Heretic, and I'll show you guys what I did. Okay, let's move this thing out. Let's move you out of the way so I can see. Burn, Heretic. Now, as you can see, it showed up. It'll always get my clicking. And my computer fans, actually, even though they're very quiet, they still are amazingly loud. Burn, heretic! So, now you got that. Now it's time to, burn, heretic! Oops, cut it a little bit too much there. So anyways, you Control A. The first thing is, my voice is a bit high, so I'm going to drop it down about 10 points and listen to it. Burn, heretic! Now that's not deep enough. Repeat it. Burn, heretic! And that's about what you want. So now go to Echo. What I choose is 0.02. Everyone's got the different, and I'll show you. Burn, heretic! Yeah, so anyways, that's how it is. You put on your change pitch, probably about -20 is good. Then you throw on echo of 0.02. And the final thing is reverb. I don't touch anything else. I usually go with room size 22, but you guys can experiment, make your voices sound different. So throw that on there and listen. Oh, one sec, I'm gonna turn off the mic. Burn, heretic! Now, for those of you who were paying attention there, yes, it now sounds like a space marine. So, let's do a recap. Notepad. So, your step 1. Change pitch equals -20. Step 2. Echo of 0.02. That'll give you up. Sorry about the coughing. I've been sick pretty much all day. Step 3. Reverb. Room size 22. That's pretty much your you got 3 steps to making yourself sound like a space marine. Now once more for everyone. Burn, heretic! And there you go. You guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this. And I'll be back with more how to make your voice sound like this sort of character. Adieu and goodbye, and have a wonderful time.